And then we have the sentence correction. In this, we have errors related to prepositions, subject verb agreement, tense, degrees of comparison, punctuation, pronouns, question forms, articles usage, etc. So in a particular sentence, you will have some or the other error, and you have to identify what that error is and give the correct form of that. Right? We will look at some of the examples of sentence corrections. See here, the first sentence, we have to combat against corruption. So whenever we use combat, there is no need for us to use a preposition along with it. So the correct answer would be, we have to combat corruption. So combat against is strong. Combat itself gives the meaning that you have to fight against it. Right? So this is a common error that is made by people. So here we have the error related to preposition. Now second sentence, they purchased several aircrafts. So aircrafts as the plural form is not used. Equipments also it's not used, right? So equipment, aircraft, though there are many items in that, we refer to it as only a singular word. They purchased several aircraft. The word several gives us a hint that excuse me, gives a hint that there are many items in that, right? Next we have the sentence, he is very well adapted with his job. So adapted with is wrong. We can't use with adapted. So adapt always has to be followed by to, the preposition to. He is very well adapted to his job. And then my uncle's friend's son is a doctor. Here you have two possessive cases. My uncle's friend's son, right? So possessive form. You can't use two possessive cases in that way. So we just have to change or modify the sentence and then use the term. Use the sentence like this: the son of my uncle's friend is a doctor. You are using the preposition of over here. You are bringing the word the son to the friend. The son of my uncle's friend is a doctor, right? And next one, here is an university. So here we have an error related to the articles usage. We already have learned in first unit or second unit that an should come before the vowel sound and a should come before a consonant sound, right? An university, though it starts with u, the letter u, the sound is y. Y is a consonant sound. So if you transcribe that word university into phonetics, you'll have y sound first. So y is a consonant sound. We have to write a in front of consonant sounds. Here is a university. And then I dislike to see a film late in the night. So I dislike to see. Here we feel that there is no error, but then you need not use the infinitive to over here. I dislike to see. So you can just simply say I dislike seeing a film late in the night. This is more appropriate. And then I respect him as he is my teacher. So here also we feel there is no error in this sentence. I respect him as he is my teacher. Instead of using because, you are saying as. So the conjunction which you are using here should be different. Like I respect him because he is my teacher. It is more appropriate. The reason, the level of intensity is more here compared to as he is my teacher. Instead of that we can say because he is my teacher. And then she was the daughter of a working farmer who was one of the headman of his village. Whenever one of the is used, we have to use plural noun, that is headman. So this is the common error that students make. One of my friend, people usually say that is wrong. So whenever you use one of my friends, you have to use the plural noun. So here instead of headman we have to use headman. And then the man together with his wife and daughter were drowned. So this example is related to the subject verb agreement. We have learned it in unit 1. So the man together with his wife, whenever with is used, the preposition with along with the noun here, it means it is a singular noun. So we have to use the singular verb. When the subject is singular, the verb should also be singular. So the man together with his wife and daughter was drowned. And then the taxi was hired by the ladies for the picnic. For its picnic, so here the taxi was hired by whom? The ladies. For whose picnic? For their picnic, right? So it should not be used here. The usage over here is about the pronoun. So we have to say the taxi was hired by the ladies for their picnic. It's the possessive case here, right? So these are a few sentences which I have collected from elsewhere. These are not there